Alright, we are doing the mango pickle. So mango achar already it's like it's 1.5 day actually. I don't have time, but the main ingredients we need for the pickling, we are using the methi seeds. It's like a fenugreek seeds. I have the fennel seeds, mustard seed. We roast 3 of these in a pan and we make the powder like that. You guys can see that. It smells so good. And I have the chili powder, some coriander powder, and I'm gonna use a little bit honey and hing, and I'm gonna use a little bit white vinegar. You guys can see. If you don't have the vinegar, you don't need to use it, but I like to use a little bit. And also I have some mustard oil over there, and we heat it up. Then after that, cool down. And let's start with here. I'm gonna put all of these spices in here, all in here, and I'm gonna add some chili powder. It depends, if you don't like it spicy, you don't have to add, but we're gonna make a little bit spicy, so that much chili powder we're gonna put in there. And also I'm gonna use some coriander powder here, and I can use some hing. I'm gonna use some vinegar here. That. I'm gonna use some honey. You can use jaggery if you have jaggery, that will work too. I'm gonna use a little bit of honey in here. That's enough. And a lot of salt. This is the salt. Some oil here. It's easy to mix the spices. Make sure your hands are dried. You can use a spoon too. No water here. It smells so good, guys. It smells so good. And I'm gonna mix all these together. Here. So this is a mustard oil. If you don't like mustard oil, you can use sesame oil too. That will be fine. So the mangoes, these they absorb the salt very well, so make sure you need to have a little bit extra salt in this. I'm going to taste. Wow. Wow. So tasty. But I think we need a little bit more salt in here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add in the container here, and then we're gonna add a little bit more oil in here. here. Okay, and as you guys can see, it looks so good. And we will tight the lid, wipe it down a little bit, tight the lid, and we will keep in the sun. We'll keep on the sun like a more 3 to 5 days, at least 3 to 5 days. You can keep more longer if you want it. Some people keeps like a 15 days, a month. So 3 to 5 days, keep on the sun, and it's ready to eat. Alright, thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you very